everybody, this is a shortened version of the full video just to get right to the point. If you want to see the full version, I have a clickable link for you at the end of this video. So there seems to be a lot of controversy on the internet on how to flip your lawnmower over properly if you need to get on the bottom side of your deck underneath there to do general maintenance or do repairs. You have to flip your lawnmower over. This is the best way ever. Tip it straight backwards like that. All the engine oil is pooled down on the back side of the engine. All of your engine oil now is nowhere near your carburetor, nowhere near your muffler, your valves, your spark plug, your piston, your engine breather. But look at that, it's at a 45-degree angle. If this is on the ground and you're trying to do some work outside, you still have to get on your back now and crawl under there so you can actually get your flashlight under there and see what you're doing. You want a lot better access than that. A lot better access. Yeah, flip it over on the side. But yes, there is actually a proper way to tip it over on the side. How I tip a lawnmower over, I'm going to tell you why I'm doing it, and then I'm going to prove to you that it actually works. Number one, when you tip a lawnmower over, pull the spark plug lead off of there. Pull that wire right off, tuck it away somewhere where you know it can't touch that spark plug anymore. Tipped it over on the carburetor side down. Now you see that engine oil's pouring all over the bench. That took 5 minutes. Don't tip it over with the carburetor on the downside. Tip it over so the carburetor and air filter is up and the muffler is down. Now, you're gonna hear a lot of your mechanic buddies out there, and you're gonna see some videos on YouTube that say, well, don't ever put your lawnmower over on that side with the muffler side down. You will have engine oil draining out of the muffler. If somebody tells you not to do that, they are missing a very important step. Your piston has to be at top dead center on the compression stroke, and that means your valves are going to be closed too. How do we do that? The easiest way for you to be able to tell if your piston is at top dead center on the compression stroke so you know that your valves are also closed is simply by pulling the rope like you normally would start it. Take your spark plug lead off so it won't accidentally start. Brake handle down if you have it, and just softly and slowly pull that rope. Watch this. See how it's easy? That was easy. And you're going to find a point when you're doing this where it's really tight. There, right there, right there. That's tight. I can feel that. I'm tugging on that pretty good and it's still not going through. Now you know that that piston is at top dead center on the compression stroke. Valves are closed. Leave it just like that. First thing that we did is that we eliminated the problem with maybe that your engine will be hydrolocked. The other thing that it did was that it closed the valves. 2 different style of lawnmower engines. I tipped these over 3 days ago. Yes, you heard that correctly. To be more precise, 75 hours these things have been sitting like this. Not one drip of oil or fuel have came out of these engines in 75 hours. That Briggs & Stratton engine right there started first pull, smoked a little bit, but then instantly cleared up. The Honda engine, this one right here, started first pull also and didn't even smoke. I've been doing this procedure for so long now. The next time, you can use any beer you want for this, by the way. I'm just using Lucky Lager as usual. Steve out. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, click on that little button right there. If you'd like to see the full version of this video, it's a lot more detailed, a lot more in-depth, click right there.